wasn't just me. We had a club.
You had a club?
We can't talk about it.
Fight Club.
Whoa, hold on. What the hell happened to you? I get it. The first rule of Fight Club, right?
That's right.